In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video to Google Slides. This is a fantastic way to make your presentations more engaging and dynamic. And once you get the hang of it, it'll be a breeze to do every time. Let's start by opening the presentation where you'd like to include the YouTube video. If you haven't started your presentation yet, you can either create a new one or choose from the available templates. Templates can save you a bit of time if you're looking for a specific design, but if you're starting from scratch, this is a great time to set up your slides just the way you want them. Now, moving on to the video, head over to YouTube and find the video you'd like to include in your presentation. For this example, I'll be adding one of my own videos entitled Windows 11, How to Set Auto Logout After 5 Minutes of Screen Inactivity. Once you've located your desired video on YouTube, all you need to do is copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. With your video URL copied, switch back to your Google Slides presentation. Navigate to the slide where you want the video to appear. This could be a slide dedicated solely to the video, or perhaps you might integrate it amongst other content such as text and images, depending on the flow of your presentation. Now let's actually get that YouTube video onto the slide. Go up to the menu bar at the top of the Google Slides interface and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Video. Once you do this, you'll notice a new window pop up. Make sure you're in the YouTube section of this video window. You should see a search bar here. Just paste the video URL you copied earlier into this bar. After you've pasted the URL, hit Enter. Google Slides will search for your video and display a preview of it. Click on the preview and then select Insert at the bottom of the window. And there you have it. Your video should now appear directly on your slide. You can resize or move it around by clicking and dragging the corners of the video, just like you would with an image or text box. There you go, you've successfully added a YouTube video to your Google Slides presentation. This method is a simple yet effective way to enhance your presentation by adding engaging video content. Remember, a well-timed video can underscore your key points or provide a breather for your audience while keeping their attention on your message. That's all for today's tutorial, and I hope you found this guide useful.